Imagine losing hundreds or even thousands of pounds every year, not because you owe more tax, but simply because of small mistakes. The truth is, most people don't intentionally get their taxes wrong. They simply don't know the rules, leave everything until the last minute, or assume someone else will sort it out. Today, I'm going to walk you through the biggest tax mistakes people make in the UK, explain why they happen, and show you exactly how to avoid them. Whether you're self-employed, a CIS worker, an Amazon Flex driver, a landlord, or someone earning extra income on the side, this video could save you money, stress, and penalties from HMRC. Let's get started.
This is probably the biggest mistake of them all. Every January, thousands of people rush to complete their self-assessment tax return just before the deadline. The result? Missing receipts, forgetting expenses, making calculation errors, filing late, paying penalties. When you're under pressure, mistakes happen. Instead of waiting until January, spend just 15 to 20 minutes each week keeping your records updated. Your future self will thank you.
Many people think, I'll remember what I bought. Trust me, you won't. 6 months later, that fuel receipt is gone, the stationery invoice has disappeared, the software subscription has been forgotten. Without evidence, you may struggle to justify your expenses if HMRC asks questions. Digital copies are perfectly acceptable. Use your phone to photograph receipts immediately after making purchases. This causes endless confusion. Buying groceries with your business card, paying business expenses from your personal account, using one account for everything. When tax time arrives, finding deductible expenses becomes a nightmare. Open a separate business bank account. It makes bookkeeping easier, saves hours of work, and looks much more professional. Many people pay more tax than necessary because they don't claim everything they're entitled to. Depending on your circumstances, you may be able to claim expenses such as office supplies, business insurance, professional subscriptions, software, advertising, telephone costs, internet, business mileage, parking, training related to your existing business, protective clothing, and accountancy fees. Every legitimate expense reduces your taxable profit. Don't pay tax on money you never actually kept. The opposite mistake is claiming things that HMRC doesn't allow. Examples include everyday clothing, personal holidays, family meals, personal shopping, gym memberships in most cases, and private expenses unrelated to your business. If an expense isn't wholly and exclusively for your business, think carefully before claiming it. Incorrect claims can lead to extra tax, interest, or penalties.
Many people think only their main job matters, but HMRC may expect you to declare income from selling online, freelancing, Amazon Flex, Uber, Deliveroo, Etsy, Airbnb, property rental, social media income, affiliate marketing, digital products, or online coaching. Small income streams can quickly add up. Ignoring them doesn't make them disappear. Many people believe the deadline is when they start thinking about taxes. Actually, that's when everything should already be finished. Late filing can trigger automatic penalties, even if you owe no tax. Know your important dates well in advance and prepare early.
This catches thousands of new self-employed people every year. They receive payments throughout the year. The money sits in their account, they spend it, then HMRC sends the tax bill. Suddenly, they owe thousands of pounds they no longer have. A simple solution is to move part of every payment into a separate savings account that's only for tax. Treat it as money that never belonged to you.
Some people panic when they receive a letter from HMRC. Others simply ignore it. Neither approach helps. Most issues become much easier to resolve if dealt with early. Read every letter carefully. Respond before deadlines. Ask for professional advice if you're unsure.
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, there is a lot of useful information online, but there is also a huge amount of misinformation. One person's situation may be completely different from yours. Tax advice should always be based on your own circumstances. Always verify important information before acting on it.
Some people start trading and assume they can wait years before telling HMRC. This can create unnecessary problems. If you've started working for yourself or have taxable income, make sure you understand your registration obligations and complete them on time.
Imagine HMRC asks you, "Can you show us how you calculated this expense?" And your answer is, "I think I had a receipt somewhere." Good records give you confidence. Poor records create stress. Keep invoices, receipts, bank statements, and important documents organized throughout the year.
Many people try to save money by avoiding professional advice. Ironically, mistakes often cost much more than getting help in the first place. A good accountant doesn't just complete forms. They can help you understand tax rules, avoid penalties, claim legitimate expenses, save time, and reduce stress. Professional advice is often an investment rather than an expense. Just because your friend claims something doesn't mean you can. Every business is different, every taxpayer is different, every situation is different. Never assume someone else's tax return should look like yours.
This might be the most expensive mistake of all. Many people worry they'll sound silly. There are no silly questions when it comes to taxes. A 5-minute conversation today could prevent a costly mistake tomorrow.
Taxes don't have to be scary. Most tax problems aren't caused by complicated rules. They're caused by poor organization, misinformation, rushing, and simple mistakes. If you stay organized, keep good records, ask questions when you're unsure, and understand the basic rules, you'll already be ahead of many people. Remember, tax isn't about paying more. It's about paying the correct amount. No more, no less.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about UK taxes, business tips, making tax digital, bookkeeping, and ways to save money legally. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.